Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Blandine and Prince Ministry. Today you can see me how I'm excited. I'm excited why? Because God has blessed us with lots of talent. That's why we are coming here with all the talent. We don't want to keep this talent in ourselves. We're bringing it to you so that you can take it from us as well. I know that you will say, oh, Mama Blandine always preach, Mama Blandine always sing. Obviously, Mama Blandine has a lot to give out there. Mama Blandine has a lot to bless people of God. So watch this video. I think you can see how I look. So just keep watching.
And now I'm going to use expression auto braid. I cut my hair in 2 parts. And half back. In the back I cut it again in 2 parts. That half I split in 2 parts. At the back is going to be box braid. At the front is going to be plat. I used edge control my head. Helps the head to grow as well. So now I've checked how evenly I have done. So now I just go my extension. Once I cut this piece, I will connect it each other so that it will help me to plait my bag. My finger, connect it with my finger right to the button to secure it. Now I'm tying my extension right to the box braid, and if you can see that I've plait. Well, sorry, because of this video I couldn't really I didn't really realize that the back I couldn't really see. So next time I think I have to fix my camera properly so that everyone can see. Make sure and secure box braid very tight so that it doesn't pull up. Couldn't really see my back. Well, I tried. back, and I'll start my front seam. So here I'm in the front. I'm trying to make the front plat. This is not really middle, I'm just taking side by side, little one, just to make a middle part, that big middle line. Well, take one side in the left and the right. As you can see, I pull my edge control gel to help me so that it can be looks tight and nice. I start small and adding more. It's like Ghana bread, or it's like is inside Ghana bread. I start small pieces and adding gradually. As long as I'm going, I'm adding gradually. I just make sure that I'm not mixing my hair with another one. Making sure I add one gradually. I will see my size, so I just make sure that the way I'm adding my hair, it doesn't go more bigger than others. I just make sure that it goes same size. Very end, but you will see that I add lots of it, like big buns, so that it can be same size with the back. And we help to cover the back as well, because the back, it wasn't really full. I try to do different style. You can see that on my side I've done box braid as well, just to make different style. zigzag. We call it zigzag. I'm just very in the end. I was very excited. Increasing more hair till the end. I put the rubber band so that it can help it. That's my husband leg, sorry. That's my husband there moving around. We continue the stage for the rest of the part. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like,